In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an email in SparkMail on iPhone. Pinning is a simple way to keep important messages front and center so they don't get buried by new mail. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to highlight a message and keep it at the top of your inbox for quick access whenever you need it. Start by opening the Spark Mail app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your messages. If you already use Spark regularly, everything should look familiar. The steps are quick and you won't need to change any settings or dig through menus. Next, make sure you're looking at your inbox. In most cases, Spark opens directly to it. If you're somewhere else in the app, just return to the main inbox view so you can see your list of emails. This is where pinning works best because you'll immediately see the pinned message jump to the top. Now, locate the email you want to pin. Scroll through your list until you find the one you want to keep handy. Choose something you reference often, like a travel confirmation, a receipt, or a task you need to follow up on. The idea is to save yourself time by keeping that message within easy reach. When you've found the right email, swipe from right to left on that message. Make it a short, controlled swipe so the action buttons appear on the right side of the email. A full, fast swipe can trigger other actions depending on your preferences, so a gentle swipe is your best bet to reveal the options you need. Among the actions that appear, tap the pin icon. It looks like a small push pin. As soon as you tap it, Spark confirms the action visually, and you'll notice the email is marked as pinned. That's it. The pinned email will now stay at the top of your inbox, separated from the rest of your messages, so you can open it without hunting around. This is especially helpful when your inbox is busy or you're managing multiple threads. You can pin more than one message if you like, and Spark will keep them together at the top, making your most important items easy to find. Pinned emails remain accessible across sessions, so even after you close the app and come back later, your crucial messages are still right where you left them. To recap, open SparkMail, go to your inbox, find the message you want, swipe right to left to reveal the actions, and tap the pin icon. With that quick move, you'll keep priority emails front and center and streamline your day.